Vendor maintenance is where you can enter all the information Pro Fund Accounting requires for vendors. To access this menu item, click on the Payables module. Select Vendor Maintenance. The following window will appear. To enter a new vendor, click New, enter the code, the name, and the status. In the General tab, specify the vendor's mailing address, phone number, website, and contacts. On the Accounting tab, specify the purchase discounts, an optional default account number that is used to post invoices for this vendor, the vendor payment source, a customer number for this vendor, and a default invoice description. If you selected ACH as the payment option, enter in the bank routing and account numbers. The Taxes tab is where you can enter the federal ID for this vendor and whether they need to receive a 1099 miscellaneous or a 1099 NEC. On the Purchasing tab, specify whether the vendor uses purchase orders and if there is a blanket purchase order number to use. The Notes tab is to keep track of any information you wish to remember for this vendor. The History tab will show all activity to this vendor. When you are finished, click Save.
You are now working smarter with Pro Fund Accounting. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.